Hello everybody, I'm Elle Macias from Elle. Today we will be tackling the Google Forms. Right now, it's just going to be like to get to know the tool, the Google Forms. So as you may know from my blog, this is not just like forms, surveys. It's also for like quizzes and such. So this is just a fun little explanation how it works. So first you have to click blank. This is also a guide to teach you. So here you can see untitled form description, and untitled questions, and then you can pick the questions. Right here at the side, you can choose to make it a quiz. Right, that you have the choice to make it a quiz. That will be in the next vlog or the next video on how to do the quizzes, because right now we'll just focus on the forms and how to properly set everything up. As you can see, this is the presentation to show the progress bar. Usually I would like to show the progress bar, because if there was like an amount of pages, for example 5, and you just keep on answering, you're like, okay, when is this gonna end? You don't know. The progress bar is just to show you how many pages there will be. Shuffle question order, this is for, again, for quizzes. So when you're doing the questions, it's all like in different areas, just to know that your students aren't cheating, or it will be more different for each quiz. Okay, show link to submit other response, that's also needed, very needed. Okay, you can collect the emails that they're using to answer the Google form. Limit to one response, you can do that, so the person can only answer once. This one, it's just in my account because I'm using my school account. So this is on, I don't have to, if I don't have to, like, restrict it to users of Silliman University, you don't have to. And then, yeah, all of that. Okay, now let's go back to the form. Let's say we want to make a form for an autograph, or like a get to know you Google form. So let's say get to know you. This is your title, so this is what people will see first, of course. Form description, so this is where you're going to be talking about the form, so it'll be easier for the people who are answering to understand what this is. To get to know you. Okay, untitled question. As you can see, there are multiple things you can use. Okay, you can do a short answer, a paragraph. Multiple choice is where you can only pick one. Checkbox is where you can pick multiple. Okay, file upload, this is where you can upload files. Liner scale, multiple choice grid, checkbox grid, date, time. We will tackle all of these today, except for drop down and file upload, because they speak for themselves. Okay, let's first start with name. Obviously, this is a short answer, you know. To make another one, you just press add a question right here. Okay. You can also add a title. Say, we'll tackle that one later. We'll do the normal. Where do you live? Okay. Let's do a paragraph in here, so it can be a longer answer than a short answer. Okay. Another one. We're doing multiple choice. So let's add a text. Sorry, a title right here. Let's add it up, and let's paste the likes. You know, this is where this is. This is, yeah, you know, likes. This is just basically a title, so it's a way to like like to make your survey more understandable. For example, like this is a good example, like with the name and where do you live and all the basic stuff, like how old are you and all that. This is going to be like a way to divide your survey so it doesn't seem so chaotic. Wait, let's also add another thing. Okay, here let's add date, birthday. Okay, there, so you got date and time. We can make this math question or not. Let's just say, what time is it? You know, simple. Okay, so we have our title, then we go up to another one, the multiple choice. This is where you can only pick one, so we can go like, what do you prefer? Pineapple on pizza, or just no pineapple on pizza. You know, personally, I don't like pineapple on pizzas, but you know, it depends on you. This is just a survey. Anyways, we're gonna be continuing with the next one, a checkbox. This is where, as I said, you can pick multiple. So let's say favorite color. So yeah, as you can see, there's something called other. Let's first fill this up: red, blue, yellow. Okay. If you add other, it gives the person or the person answering the survey the choice to add their own answer. So if it's not one of these, then they can add green, orange, another type of color, you know? So that's fun. Let's add another one. Oh, also you can add an image, a video, and add section. This is basically the section where, as I said about the progress bar, where it's about the pages. The section is basically like a page. So let's just remove that. We don't need that for now. The next one is a linear scale. So this is where they have to, like, in a scale of 1 to 3, how are you feeling? Something like that. You know. Then the multiple choice grid is basically like a table where it's question, then you have to pick multiple choices. I will go to detail with that since this is like the more basic survey. Now we will do with the design. Okay. So this kind of seems basic. Sorry, but this is kind of basic. So let's try to add some spice to it. Let's upload an image. Any image. This is cute. Oh, this one. I like this one. Okay. So you can pick a header either from what the Google form has provided, or you can pick one from the internet or what you have. And then you can have a theme color. Again, you can choose what you want, but in Google Forms, it picks the colors from your picture, so it kind of seems like coherent. And then there's a background color. This is the background, of course, everyone knows the background. And then the theme color, see? So whatever the theme color is, the background color will change, you know, so it's, again, coherent. Then this is the font style. You can choose the different font styles, so we can make it more nice, you know, more playful, more formal, and yeah, not basic, but you know, everything there. So you can also check the responses, and there's also a really cool feature where once they answer it, you can look at it in a spreadsheet provided by Google Docs. I think it's Google spreadsheet. Yes, a Google spreadsheet. Okay, so for you, once you're done with this, you can look at your upper right and you'll see an eye. So you can see how your form looks like without the editing and everything. So this is how mine looks like. And then to publish or to send your Google Forms, this is what you press, the send button on top, and then you can send it through email or Google Gmail. Since everything's connected in Google, you can do the link. Also, you can also do a shorted link, so it's like people are not like, oh, this is a long link. You can use a shorter link. It's either way, it's the same thing. So yeah, that is it for the Google form. I will see you in the next vlog. Thank you very much.